in Dorset lanes and Green Hills also fine. You'll find a YouTuber called Tojj29. He talks like a farmer and rides wide and far. You may not understand him, it's all yips and ooh-ahs. Aboard his GS, he gives a wave or a nod. It's not always returned if they're a miserable sod. Avoiding the cow shit is Tojj's worst plight. He'll be slipping and sliding if he rides through that shite. He's out searching for castles, for rivers and mills, to give his subscribers great views and some thrills. To Tojj29, it would be good if you sub. He'll always reply, you'll never get snubbed. It's not a big channel, he's never given no gifts. Channels like that, they just get on his tits. He'll stick up the drone way up in the sky, 'cause all the best footage comes from a bird's eye. There's multiple cameras to give the best views, just natural colors like greens, reds and blues. Come join in the live streams every Sunday at 8. Talk in the side chat and make some new mates. It's light-hearted fun where we bitch and we moan. Tips and recommendations have also been known. To Tojj29, it would be good if you sub. He'll always reply, you'll never get snubbed. It's not a big channel, he's never given no gifts. Channels like that, they just get on his tits. What you see, then please watch some more. There's things in the pipeline and loads more in store. If you're biking, stay safe, keep upright, stay well. Please like, comment, subscribe, tick the bell.